Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's jump rope session, I performed several sets of side straddles, typically performing about 100 side straddles in a row. So with the side straddle, you jump over the rope, and while you are in the air, you spread your feet apart, your legs apart, before bringing them back together. The farther you spread your legs across, you are increasing the likelihood of the rope getting caught on your feet. So if you're new to learning this move, you don't have to spread your legs too far apart to begin with. And if you try doing a few side straddles in a row, you might not really notice your legs becoming fatigued. But if you perform several of them in a row, high rep sets, say for 50 of them, 100, you might notice your legs fatiguing in a different area, particularly up around your hips. So high rep side straddle sets can work the legs in a different fashion than, say, just jumping up and down. So you might want to give this a try.